I'm Anil Kumar, and here is the solution for the third question in your practice list. We need to find derivative of function 1 over x minus 2 at x equals to 4. So from the very basic definition, we know the derivative at any particular point could be written as limit h approaches 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a over h, correct? So that is how we write it. Now if you need to find at 4, then be derivative at 4, correct, equals to limit h approaches 0 f of 4 plus h minus f of 4 over h, right? So now we'll substitute 4 plus h for your expression. So let's continue this side. So we can write this as limit h approaches 0. So I'll replace x with 4 plus h. So what do I get? So I get 1 over 4 plus h for x. So I get 4 plus h, and I already have minus 2 here, right? Minus f of 4 means 1 over 4 minus 2 divided by h. So that is what we get, right? Now let's simplify this a bit. So we get limit h approaches 0. We can take this as a common denominator, so we get cross multiplied. So 4 minus 2 is half, right? So let me rewrite this here itself so that you understand. I don't want to skip steps here. So we have 1 over 4 minus 2 is 2, right? So let me write this as 2 plus h minus half over h. Okay, so this is what we have as a simplified version. Let me push it a bit here. I hope now it's absolutely clear to you. So now we'll cross multiply and we'll write 2 minus, so we have 2 minus, that goes there, put a bracket, so 2 plus h divided by 2 times this, divided by 2 times 2 plus h, and everything is divided by h. Do you see that? So I'm writing it on purpose because some students have confusion at this stage. So let me write down like this. That means divide by, that means 1 over h, right? So 2 minus 2 is 0, and minus h is what we get here, divided by 2 times 2 plus h, right? Divide means multiply by 1 over h. Do you see that? I could have written directly, but I just, I thought that is helpful for some. Okay, now we can cancel these. So we'll get minus 1 in the numerator. So we get limit h approaches 0 minus 1 over 2 times 2 plus h. Once we get rid of h, we could always substitute 0 for h, and we get minus 1 over 2 times 2, which is minus 1 over 4, right? So that is how you're going to get your answer. I hope that is helpful, and it explains you how to find derivative for a reciprocal, transformed, or a rational function at a given point. Now, as an exercise, as we are doing, I like you to do the same exercise at x equals to a, any general point. Once you do that, you will get one expression. And what you will notice is that the derivative is always negative, right? So you need to prove that f dash x is always less than 0. Or you can say it is always negative. So derive an expression for general expression and show that it is always negative, right? So that is an exercise for you to do. Thank you and all the best.